y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks and I'm in my local flavor kitchen here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today I'm gonna make you some breakfast bites. So I'm gonna start off by frying up some sausage and just getting it good and browned. I'm just gonna do a whole package of sausage, and this is just a pound. 1 pound of country mild Jimmy Dean. Get whatever you like, but I'm gonna fry this up and get it all good and browned up. I'm gonna use my Pampered Chef mixing chopper to chop this up and get it real fine. And I also have my oven set to 350 degrees. You can add a little milk or a little water to them if you'd like. I'm not going to. These are farm fresh eggs that I got from Becky, my egg girl here in Branson. And so I'm just gonna give them a good fluffing. Our sausage is cooking and it's coming along nicely. I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna cut up our secret ingredient, King's Hawaiian rolls. All right, we're gonna cut these up into little cubes and just put them in a big bowl. Whoa, whoa, Nelly, whoa, Nelly. All right, there we go. There we go. Got all our bread in there. Now let's finish this off. Okay, sausage looks good and done. So I'm just gonna scoop it right into my bowl. Get a little something to help me out here. I'm struggling a bit. Get a little bit more of that out of there. All right, now we're gonna pour our eggs in. We're just gonna give those a little cookaroo. Go ahead and season my eggs. I'm gonna give them a little salt and a little pepper. I also think I'm gonna throw a little Tajin on them. I love this stuff. I put it on everything. If you've never tried this on fresh pineapple, oh my gosh, so good. All right, turning that off. And then I'm gonna put my eggs right into the bowl just like that. Now they don't have to be like really done because they're gonna go ahead and cook for 25 more minutes in the oven. And if you want more eggs than this, go for it. Do a whole dozen. I'm just gonna do a half a dozen. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley to it, probably a couple of tablespoons. If you have fresh parsley, that would be great too. And then we're gonna do about a half a cup of butter. Just pour it right over the top. Now if you want to add some ham and bacon, you can. I'm also going to do these. I'm going to make some ham and cheese bites just like this. Not today, but another time. I got the stuff to do that. Get a glove out here. Let me go grab my pan. You can use a muffin tin, the round muffin tin, but I happen to have this cute little square tin that I got from Pampered Chef. It is so cute. I love to make little brownies in it, little chocolate chip cookie bites in it. I love this thing. It's really cute. So if you know a Pampered Chef dealer, you can get one of those. They're so cute. I have 2 of these. I love them. All right, so I'm gonna press it into this and make little square breakfast bites. I haven't named it yet, but I will get a name for it soon. Now we're going to add some cheese, and I just got sharp cheddar because I love sharp cheddar. Put some of that in there. Did about a half a bag. And then you're just going to give it a good mix. You can make this just as hearty as you'd like. You can chop up some bacon, whatever you'd like to do. Whatever sounds good to you. All right, there you have it. That's your little mixture there. And then you're just going to take it and press it right into your little squares. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but just like that. So we'll get these all pressed in, put them into a 350 degree oven for about 25 minutes. And then, gonna be great. All right, there they are, out of the oven, 25 minutes. I put some parchment paper down here, and I am just gonna flip them right over onto that and let them cool. I think. Oh, there they are. Ooh, nice. Flip them over. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then you can just wrap them up. Wrap them up and pop them in the microwave the next morning. So good. Oh my gosh, if you don't eat them all today. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. Oh yeah. That's so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Gosh. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot toot. Go make these. We'll see ya.